My Tesla's front camera was cracked, but somehow FSD was still working. Tesla replaced the camera, then FSD stopped working completely. The next service appointment wasn't until a couple weeks away, but I was able to get FSD working again myself. So stick with me, because I'll show you what I did, and I'll explain this little blue icon that I didn't understand until afterward. And joining me today is Apollo. He is in charge of security around here, and he's done a full security perimeter check, and he's assured me that there are no squirrels, there are no birds, or any other kind of prowlers in the backyard. So we should be good during the filming of this video. Anyway, just a quick recap. If you haven't seen the full repair story, I'll link to that up here. You can go check it out. But basically, a rock kicked up and cracked my front fascia camera. FSD was still working. I had mobile service come out from Tesla to do the repair while I was at work, which was great. They fixed the camera, but unfortunately, FSD was not working afterwards. The tech called me afterwards and said the camera's replaced, but it's not synchronizing with the system. Therefore, FSD is unavailable, and I would have to go in to the Tesla service center where they could address it. The next appointment was going to be for a couple weeks, so I felt like I was back at square one again with this repair. So I looked into it a little bit online, and apparently there's a camera calibration function within the service menu. So I figured I'd give it a shot. I clicked on the calibration function, and next thing I know, I noticed when I was driving a weird blue icon showing up. Wasn't sure what that was all about. But after driving about 20 miles, the blue icon disappeared and the FSD button appeared. I clicked on it. Next thing I know, FSD took over and I was back in action. So that was amazing. So if you run into an FSD issue after some service is completed, it's worth trying that camera calibration function before you make another trip to the service center. It may not fix the issue, but in my case, it saved me a trip. I also picked up this camera protector here by Spigen. I'm going to install this pretty soon, and hopefully the next time a rock hits, it'll take this out and not my camera. Yeah, overall, the Tesla service was extremely convenient. They came out, they did replace the camera free of charge, but unfortunately, I did have to go through the camera calibration process. In the end, it all worked out, and hopefully this helps someone else avoid an unnecessary appointment. So thanks for watching, and Apollo, I believe, is somewhere running security. Hey, Apollo, come here. Come on. Come here, boy. Come on, say goodbye. There he is. Did you find any squirrels out there? No? Okay, good boy. So I think things are pretty secure back here, right, Apollo? But I'm pretty sure he stopped listening about halfway through the video. Until next time, we'll catch you later.